Good afternoon, everyone. Once more, I bring you this message from Prophet El-Buba. Why I am bringing this to you is that we must continually, collectively, begin to speak to those who want to divide us along ethnic and religious lines. 3 days ago, I responded to the former governor of Edo State that spews without control. 2 days ago, I responded to the fraud called Mandi Shehu, who over a conversation with Northern Christians told them not to vote for a Southern candidate. Not because the Southern candidates are incompetent, but because they are not of their religion and they are not of their region or ethnic orientation. That is wrong. And in that video, I also made it very clear that we must also note that these two religions are alien to us. They are foreign to us as an indigenous people.
Go to the south.
But many of us have accepted them the way it is. But one thing that we must not use 2023 to do is to divide ourselves the more. Having said that, yesterday my good sister Aisha Yesufu also responded and lent her voice. Likewise, so many people. Today, also Prophet El-Buba responded. Why I like his response is, he is now saying to, as a Northern Christian, no one will give you land to build. He said, no, it's a lie. He is preaching in a church in Southern Nigeria owned by Northern Christians. These are the narratives that we must destroy if we must survive as a people. Why do we pay much attention to religion? The same way I have condemned the man in question, that is Mandi Shehu, is the same way I have condemned the priest in Anambra State called El-Buba, who said even before Peter Obi became the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, that when and if Peter Obi then emerged, any Igbo person who votes against Peter Obi should be stoned, or basically is not worthy to live. And I said then, and I'm repeating it now, that that is arrant nonsense. We must convince people to vote for our candidate and for Peter Obi, not because he's Igbo, not because he's a Christian, but because he has the competency, the character, the charisma, and what it takes to become the president of Nigeria, to systematically, empirically move us from consumption, as he used to say it, to a place where we'll begin to become a producing people. But not to say because he's a Christian, he's a Catholic. This is not a question of, Catholicism, anything like that. No. Neither is this a case of Pentecostalism or Muslim or Christians. No. It is about the competence. I'll let you watch that video from Prophet Isa, but we must know this, that those who stoned Deborah, now, this man never spoke when Deborah was stoned. Even Atiku Abubakar, who made a tweet condemning that barbaric act, at some point deleted that tweet. We must begin to demand that those that will speak in public space will speak on issues, not on religion. Religion and ethnicity divides us more. Let us speak and project our various candidates based on their capacity, content of their character, and content of their mind, and not regarding issues that will divide us more. I'll let you then watch the video, and I am still Mazi. It's okay. Peace.
I want to make an address for 1 minute. There is one man called Mandi Usman, who spoke a few days ago and tried to speak lies against the Southern Church and against the Southerners, that we Northerners that are Christians will come to the South and will find it difficult to get a land to worship God. And I want to say to you, Mandi Usman, you're a liar. That is not true. I am a Northerner and I am preaching here in the South. And I want to say that it's time up for the lies that some of you have been lying for all these years, 62 years. The end of your lie has come. You northern Christians and northern Muslims will prove to these wicked men and women that your time is up. And 2023, we are all going to vote for Peter Obi. I want every one of you to know that nothing can ever threaten my stand. I am not for you. I am for God and for the Nigerian people. Muslims here in the south are having their mosques. Nobody have stopped them. So don't tell lies to the northerners. And I stand here by the Spirit of the Lord, and I want to say to everybody, the glory of the Lord has been restored to the nation. I will not limit myself to the pulpit when you are suffering. I will declare the counsel of God over your life from the pulpit, and I will move with you to the street to fight your battle. Asiwaju and Tinubu and Atiku, we are retiring them from politics. I want to say this to you. When there is a restoration, the people will arise to responsibility. Every prayer you pray will be answered by one man who comes into power. When the righteous rule, the people rejoice. I'm sick and tired. I know there are PDPs here in this church. I know there are APC members here. I know there are LP members here. So it's not about party. It's about a person. I am a father of all, but I am a father of one person from the family to lead the family. Our Mumu.